Hi, my name is Jamina and this is a video of an adolescent fitness testing taking place on the 19th of April 2023. Hey Lucas, how are you today?
Good.
That's good. So today we're going to do some fitness testing, okay? So we're going to test a range of things. We're going to have a look at your cardiovascular fitness. So that's like your aerobic fitness, like you're running, you're jogging, you're swimming, how long, how far you can keep that kind of activity going for. We're going to have a look at your agility, so that's seeing how fast you can change directions or how you go with changing directions. We're going to have a look at the strength of your upper body, okay, with another test. Then we're going to have a look at your hand and eye coordination. We're also going to have a look at some flexibility, so that's basically seeing how far or how high or low we can stretch a certain muscle, how we can move it. But I'll go through each test as we get to it, okay? The first one we're going to do today is called the beat test. So this is going to test your heart rate, how long you can keep running for and how fast you can keep running for, essentially. So what I'm going to get you to do, you can see these two cones, yes? I've got one here and we've got one down there by the fence. You can see that? All right. We've both got an AirPod in our ear so that you're able to hear the beep. What I need you to do is when you hear the first beep, I need you to run to that cone and you want to try and make it there before the next beep sounds. Okay? Once you've reached that point, if the beep has sounded already, I need you to run back. Okay? If the beep hasn't sounded yet, you wait at the cone until the beep goes. You cannot move from the cone until the beep goes again, okay? So we're going to keep running back and forth while the beeps are going until you don't make it back to the cone in time. If the beep does go and you haven't reached the cone yet, keep running for the cone and you've got to try and make it here within 2 beeps. Okay? So, are you ready, Lucas? Yeah? Alright. Hope this can be seen. Okay. We're starting. 1. Good job. Waiting there for the next beep. Go. Good job, Lucas. Keep it up. Try and stop at the cone so you're not wasting too much. Yep. Go. Good job, Lucas. Good job. Go. Hope you can see this. Yeah. Try stop at the cone. Yeah, run. You tired?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Good job, good job. All right, awesome.